Selecting a jury for former President Donald Trump's hush money trial in New York City could be very challenging.
The first 96 people out of several hundred selected for the jury pool were sworn in. More than half were quickly dismissed after they said they could not be fair and impartial. Many more were excused for other reasons. Fox's Connor Hansen has more on what happened on day one of jury selection.
Former President Donald Trump drew a crowd here in downtown Manhattan as he appeared for day one in his historic hush money trial. Rowdy protesters
no one is above the law.
Outside a New York City courthouse
USA! USA!
as former President Donald Trump's criminal trial kicks off.
He hid information relevant to voters, he lied about it, and then he tried to cover it up.
I think it's important that when something so unfair is happening right here, that people support him.
This is an assault on our country, and it's a country that's failing.
The two sides spent the day arguing over evidence, questioning potential jurors, and debating whether or not Trump violated his gag order. Seating an impartial jury could take some time because the judge is insisting potential jurors will be questioned individually to weed out political bias.
I think particularly in light of the ongoing presidential election, it's going to be really difficult to find jurors who come into this just with an open mind to the facts and the law.
Trump is accused of falsifying business records to cover up paying off two women who alleged they had sexual affairs with him, and a former doorman who tried to sell a story about Trump having a child out of wedlock. Trump denies any wrongdoing.
This is political persecution. This is really an attack on a political opponent.
This could be Trump's only criminal case to go before a jury before the November election. While it's unlikely, it's possible he could face jail time if he's convicted. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox 4 News.